What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So the markets are down quite a bit today, and we're trying to find out the reason why. There's a lot of people that are like, "What's going on today?" I mean, is it something where institutions are doing a heavy sell-off because of the fact that we see taxes? And that's what I was thinking it was. I mean, you can see taxes that are coming up, and a lot of institutions, I mean, have to pay some sort of taxes. So I was trying to apply it to that, but then again, I was thinking, is the government doing something? Do we see, the U.S. Doing anything or saying anything that could be the reason why everything is falling? Because stock market doesn't look positive, the crypto market definitely doesn't look positive, and we're just trying to figure out what's going on here. So we did figure out a reason why. I guess inside information, we figured out that reason why, but we're gonna break this down, and apparently it's because of the government. It's because of CPI. It's because of the inflation information, which is just interesting, right? Because I was thinking the not the opposite, but more on the tax side of things. It makes sense that institutions would be pulling out some of their investments because they made some gains over this last year, and they have to pay some decent sized taxes. I mean, it just all depends, I guess. But we're gonna go ahead and dive into this. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out my channel quite a bit. And if you guys want to follow my Let It Burn channel or my golf channel or my gaming channel or all of this stuff on YouTube, feel free to be a part of all that stuff. You see me in a different light, in a different setting, kind of the same setting, but a different setting, I guess. But yeah, go ahead and check out that. But also, if you guys want to join the Discord group that we have, a new Shiba Inu Discord group where we have 710 members, a bunch of members here. So if you guys want to join here today and be a part of this, then you can definitely be a part of that. If you're not a fan of Shiba Inu, then never mind. But this is mainly a Discord around Shiba Inu. So if you want to be a part of that, feel free to join up and be a part of it. So what we're talking about today is the markets, right? I like to talk about the crypto market as well as the stock market, but we're trying to understand why things are falling. And apparently, it's because the White House says it expects inflation to be extraordinarily elevated in the new report, right? This is where we're starting to see some pretty interesting stuff where inflation keeps rising, right? We still see things that are hitting us negatively, especially all of the normal everyday working people, obviously getting hit hard by inflation, and it just freaking sucks. And we knew that this was going to happen. A bunch of people knew this was going to happen because of the um, all of the money that was thrown out there, not just to people, but to everything that was thrown out there. It was like some money went to people, other money went to other places to fund different projects they had going on. Some went to funding for vaccines and all that stuff. So we understand that some of it was necessary. And to some people, I guess, some people would believe it's necessary, and others might not believe that it's necessary. But the Biden administration is bracing for the labor's report, or the Labor Department's Consumer Price Index report, to show that inflation is extraordinarily elevated. So again, this is just going to be huge to be able to have information like this, and it makes sense why the markets are pulling back. And we'll basically get into what the markets are doing. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, is one of Wall Street's favorite ways to measure inflation. The CPI reading for March 2020 is due out Tuesday morning. We expect March CPI headline inflation to be extraordinarily elevated due to Putin's price hike, said White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki. Right, hopefully I'm saying her name right. I don't even know her name. The February reading showed the benchmark index rose 7.9% over the last 12 months, the highest level since 1982, which is obviously just huge to look at, and that's really explaining why we're seeing this fall. So I wanted to go into the crypto markets to show you guys what's happening in the crypto markets, but you may be familiar with what exactly is happening. So we go here and we're going to see that the crypto market cap is at 1.85 trillion. That's being from a level of 2.8 trillion, or sorry, 2.18 trillion. 2.8 trillion would be amazing, but 2.18 trillion, about 2.2 trillion. and we were at. And that was like last week, and seeing where it is now at below 2 trillion, and not only below 2 trillion but below 1.9 trillion, at these lower levels where we're down 8%, doesn't look great. It looks absolutely horrendous, really. But let's go through some other things that are making some moves negatively today. You could see Bitcoin that has broken the $40,000 barrier, which I thought that was a strong level of support that we would see, but it just broke right through it. Crypto doesn't really seem to hold a lot of these support levels, right? You see these support levels, and you do all of the technical analysis and all of the different charting and all that stuff, and you see that it doesn't hold those support levels, because I see support levels at 40. I see support levels at 3,000 for Ethereum, and now it's pushing as a level of resistance rather than a level of support, because you obviously see that this needs to hit that wall and surpass that wall before it starts to rise above those levels. And Ethereum below 3,000, Bitcoin below 3,900, and it kind of makes sense to me, why I guess the Shiba Inu lands aren't really out, for sale yet, because one Ethereum is not that much now compared to how much it was. But that's neither here nor there. That's a whole nother discussion. BNB, you're looking at it, it's down 8%, or sorry, 7.18%. Ethereum's down 9%. Bitcoin's down 8%. You can see XRP that's down 9%. Solana is down 11.5%. Cardano is down 11%, 21% in the last 7 days. Luna is down 27% in the last 7 days, 13% in the last 24 hours, 12% for Avalanche, 11% for Dogecoin. That's down to 13 cents, almost 14 cents, higher 13s. You could see Shiba Inu is down 10%, 14% in the last 7 days. Polygon's down 9%, and you start getting to some other information here. You're looking at 11% for Uniswap, 12% or 13% for Chainlink. So things are really falling today. It's not looking great. It's not looking positive at all. And I just look at it and go, these are buying opportunities. I still haven't seen where crypto.com is. Maybe I missed it. Crypto.com is somewhere up here. CRO is now at 40 cents. This is down at that lower level. 39 cents is where I ended up buying in. So I definitely have to buy more and continue to buy more. I did buy more this morning at 41 cents. So this is at 40 cents. So it hasn't dropped down much more than the last time I saw it. But this is crazy. Absolutely insane what we are seeing here. So let's go ahead and look at my Coinbase Pro Portfolio to see where we're at. If we're at a level of, above or below that $19,000 mark, and we are well below the $19,000 mark where I was at, you see it's at 17.6 thousand dollars, and you're seeing Krill down to 90 cents, Harvest Finance down to $93. You see Gitcoin, that's down below $6. Loopring is below 90 cents. Polymath is not making a good move. Anchor, no. Suku, no. Apecoin, that actually looks better than it was earlier this morning, so that's good. ACH, no. Shiba Inu, obviously that's down 11%. So things are not really moving in our way. So we know what it was all about, and it was because of basically inflation, CPI data that's supposed to be coming out that's not really healthy for us. It doesn't really look good for us, especially with the markets, especially with buying things, everyday items. So we'll see how this all plays out. But right now, not looking great. So you let me know what you thought about this. Did you believe that it was because of the government that came out and said something, or did you believe that it was something else that was being talked about? And I didn't know that they would have inside information. Typically, we would have all this information well ahead of time, but apparently this was published on was today at 2:35. So we didn't know this in the morning. But knowing this now, obviously, it's not really that great. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys do want to follow me on Twitter, definitely follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. And also, if you want to join the Discord group for Shiba Inu, feel free to join that Discord group. We're looking to grow that. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.